There it goes. All right. This is out the door. Oh, glory. Oh, glory is flying. Oh, man, it's just looking tattered. I gotta, I'm trying to close my door. I don't want any of this heat in the house. Blow it all away. This hand's covered. This hand's not. Here we go. Out the door. Oh, look at that. Got the new shovel from Ace. $20 well spent. I tried to start this morning when I was like, whatever. Haha. Four-wheel drive, baby. I ain't getting stuck nowhere. Denise, good morning. Don't hurt yourself. You'll see what I'm doing here in a minute, and I'll help you out if you need. Holy crap, I'm gonna go put my coveralls on. Shit, it's cold out here.